Bonjour. Hello. Today I'm going to teach some Hmong words and then I will translate into English. Lúc nào queer khiên tử Hmong từ nè chỉ queer hay lu ăn kỳ. Thế thơ lo lu sổ no hay tia Hmong lu bê châu. Hmong lu bê châu is Hmong New Year Celebration event. Hmong lu bê châu. At Hmong New Year, we have ball ball. Ball ball is ball tossing. Ball tossing is ball ball in Hmong language. Hai lung Hmong ball ball. In English is ball tossing. At the Hmong New Year, we have Ban Dao Kong Giờ Hmong. Ban Dao Kong Giờ Hmong is a flower cloth Hmong clothing. So basically it's Hmong flower cloth clothings is Ban Dao Kong Giờ Hmong. So at the event we do activities like ball tossing. Ball tossing is ball ball. Ball ball. Tò mong lưu bế dâu bế mua bó bó. Thiếp mong nà ban đau không giờ mong tua mù. Tò lưu chia bế dâu. Thank you. I hope you have fun and please learn more by repeating over and over so you can learn more English at the same time. Thank you. Or ciao. See you later. Xin chí đùa. Bye.